Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to film a little haul for you for the month of February. I wanted to show you the kits that I'm going to be using. They are all printable kits, so luckily for you, you can still find these. I just found them, actually most of them. One I already had, and one I purchased but I haven't printed yet. So because I just bought it yesterday and I just haven't had the time yet. So please forgive my voice. I am recovering from being sick. If you follow me on Cloud Klein, my vlog channel, you may have seen my video. Otherwise, if you saw it on Insta stories, I'm not sure, but I am recovering from being ill. I had the plague. So, okay, let's go ahead and get into this. At the end, I'm also going to show you some things that were sent to me by a subscriber, a very sweet subscriber that likes to send me goodies, and I am so lucky to have her, and she knows exactly who she is because I've already told her how thankful I am. So, oh my gosh, who is this kit by? I thought it would have it written on there. Okay, hold please. Let me look it up. But this is a February monthly kit that I purchased, and I'm going to tell you by who. Okay, this is a printable kit from Tralala Stickers on Etsy. I'll have it listed down below, but it didn't like have the cut lines for outside, which I could have done, but I didn't. So here's what it looks like. I absolutely love it. It is so stinking cute. The colors are perfect. I love the decorative sidebar sticker. And then here's this page here with all the functional items. So cute. And I love these little heart donuts. But it's so cute. I love this girl and her little bun and her sweater. I want that sweater. I have a red sweater with a white collar exactly like that, but it doesn't have the white hearts. I want it. So that, and this looks like some of the bunting that I put up in my house. If you guys saw my clean and decorate with me on my other channel, I made garland that looks very similar to this from the Dollar Tree. So that's my monthly sticker kit, which you'll see here very shortly. I also picked up the sticker kit, the weekly sticker kit with the same artwork. So very, very cute. I have a printable kit, B6 kit in my, or Traveler's Notebook kit in my shop with this artwork. So cute. And then this page here, you've got your headers, little things, and functional items. And then you've got these really cute like ombre boxes that go from pink to red. And then some decorative boxes, some decor, and then some icons on the side. I do like her icons. So that was Tralala. Oh, this one says it. Tralala Stickers. Tralala Stickers. There we go. Okay. So there are those. And then the next one that I have, make sure this is all one kit. It is. Okay. So let me zoom you in here. I don't know what's up with my lighting. Like, okay, there we go. This one is from Paper Planner. I don't know the name of the kit, but I am obsessed with this kit. This is the kit I'm going to use for Valentine's Day. I like literally want to live in this kit. It reminds me a lot of my decor in my house. I love the florals. I love the paper doilies and this cute tiered tray. Like, it's just all so cute. You guys have got to go snag this kit. I think it's $4. And then you have this girl full box. Her dress is adorable. I love the decor. These boxes are awesome. And then you've got, I like all of her functional decor. I use a lot of Paper Planner because her kits are my favorite when it comes to printables. I just love them. She doesn't have foiling option, but to be honest with you, I don't like to foil stuff really that often because it just takes too much time. So I don't typically do it. This is scalloped washi. That's so cute. I love these boxes, the little washi. These, like this half box right here that's full of the florals. I love it. I just love it. I love the bottom washi. It is so perfect. And I just love it all. I just got a text message from my daughter that says on the bus, but it is 12:20 in the afternoon. I'm homesick, so I don't know how she'd be on the bus. But I'm wondering if it actually just came through. Hopefully she's not on the bus right now. Okay. This next kit is one I purchased last year from Planning Choco. I just didn't end up using it, but it's so cute. And it is like totally girly and feminine. I love the balloons. So very cute. This is Bloomsicle artwork. I love these stickers with the girl. The artwork is so pretty. The bottom washi is double. However, it's separate, so I like how much washi she provides in her kits. And then we've got our full box checklists, our headers. You've got your more half boxes, sidebar stickers, date covers. Those date covers are really pretty. Glitter boxes. This kit is like chock full. More sidebar stickers. You've got these big double boxes. Those are really pretty. Those would make some really pretty dashboards. They'll also look really nice in my journal, my B6 journal. So there is that. And like I said, I just purchased another one from Paper Crown Planner. Let me show it to you. I haven't printed it yet. It's called XO, but it's so cutesy. I don't know if you guys can see that. So cute. I love it. So I haven't printed that yet, but hopefully you see that. I don't know if that'll be this year or it'll be next year or one of those other ones you won't see. I don't know. Okay, let me go ahead and show you what my sweet friend Sharon got for me. She's one of my subscribers. She's so incredibly sweet and she sends me goodies and I just adore her. And she sent me this adorable planner kit from Planners Anonymous. I had never heard of them before, except that she sent me another kit, which I actually have, but I think I've taken it apart because I've been using the washi. But I'm gonna put this in my planner. It is this coffee kit. How stinking cute. I'm like obsessed with it. And so this is actually gonna go in my B6 journal next. But I've already taken it apart because I have been using the washi in my work planner. But this kit is called Peacock Ballet and it is so cute. Let me show you. Okay, so this is my favorite element. So this is a paper right here, this one right here. Oh, I don't know why the lighting is so terrible. I'm so sorry. It's because the lighting keeps coming in and out. But like this is, it looks like a ballet studio. And then you have this acetate of the ballet dancer that you can put on top of it. It's so pretty. I think that's gonna be throwing it off there. I've got some vellum and some papers here. I love the bobby pins. Bobby pins everywhere in my car, in my house. So just some really pretty watercolor papers. And then I'm gonna save my favorite element for last. So you've got this really cute die cut of this girl in her leotard and her leg warmers and her wrap. She's so cute. I wish she had eyes, like eyelashes. I think it's a little bit weird that she doesn't have eyes. Okay, forgive my nails. I'm going tomorrow for a fill. Well, if I feel okay. And then you've got these journaling cards: raise the bar, dance through life, dance to the beat of your own drum, sing, dance, dream. If you stumble, make it part of the dance. Without dance, what is the point? P-O-I-N-T-E. Cute, cute, cute. And then you've got stamps. So these are super cute. You've got a girl on point. You've got, even though she doesn't have ties on her point shoes, but that's okay, or elastic. You've got a cute little bobby pin. I love that. It's so cute. And then this here is stickers. So let me show you. So you've got stickers. So cute. I love the point shoes. The little ballet bag is super cute. You've got a cute little planner, which is nice. You can write on it. Some date covers. Cute, cute, cute. And then this is die cuts. There we go. So I love that they included a male dancer with their female dancer. So he would go behind her and he would be holding her hand, right? If she were twisting, she's in an arabesque, or he would be twirling her. This is super cute, little makeup bag. I feel like this is designed, it has like perforation marks. Like you can make this a little pocket. So that's cute. Like you would fold these down and then it would kind of sit up and this would be a pocket. That's really cute. You've got point shoes. You've got a peacock, a tutu. You've got florals and makeup brush and some peacock feathers and a trellis. You've got a ballet ticket, a peacock, and a mask. And then you have this really cute journaling card that says on with the show. So cute. So love that. And then you've got some washi over here. This one has a rose with a bow. Is it not going to focus? And then this one has like the peacock feathers. And then my favorite washi is this one right here. That is point shoes, just a bunch of point shoes. And those do have all the proper ties, which are so cute. The only thing I have with this washi is that point is spelled right, P-O-I-N-T-E, but on, it's on point, it's French, it's E-N, but that's okay. Like, we can let that slide. And if it really were to bother me, then I would just not use the words and I could just use the adorable point shoes. So, and I love that everybody's represented. So very, very cute. I just love it. So thank you, Sharon. Now that's not all she sent me. I'm going to show you. I have it all in a bag over here. And I actually think I gave some to my daughter. But she also gifted me. Oh, I'm not done. Still not done. Like, this is what I have left, and my daughter even took some. So she gifted me a ridiculous amount of washi because she's amazing and she's so very thoughtful. I love that she has them like bagged by color. But I'm going to take them out so I can show you, and they're all going to go in my washi bucket over here. I was watching Jacinia from Planner Sophisticate. I was watching her Insta stories, and she has like all these really beautiful ways of storing her goodies. But yeah, I'm not always that organized. You know what I mean? Like, I want to be. In my head, I am. But I love this washi. This is a Simply Gilded washi, and it's floral with the bows, the gold bows. So this is like beyond my wildest dreams. She's just so incredibly thoughtful. So here's some bow washi that she sent to me. And then I'm gonna put those over there. I love this hot pink one. And then she also sent me some of the darker browns. I love these. These are from Inspired Life Studio. They have all these little like coffees. You guys know your girl loves coffee. So those are cute. She sent me a black. Oop. She sent me these really pretty like dark maroon ones. She's so like, I'm like, how, number one, how did you have all of this that you could like spare some? Do you know what I mean? Like her collection, I can only imagine. Sharon, what does your collection look like, girl? So we've got all these. This one is from Tickled Pink Planning, which she has sent me some Tickled Pink Planning before. And then we have, this looks like a marble. We've got some blues. That one's really cute. That's cute for Easter. Like a little gingham. I'm not gonna open all these right now. Blue, got a white. I love these. Like candy cane for Christmas. This one's really pretty. They're all just stunning. I love the violet, and there's another one from Tickled Pink Planning that has primrose on there. So cute. So she sent me all of this, like, and then like I said, I actually think I let my daughter pick some. So yeah, I'm like obsessed. So thank you, Sharon, for feeding into our habit. And like I said, comment below because I'm dying to know how many things of washi you have, how many rolls of washi do all of you have? Tell me down below. And if there are any kits that you feel like I need to see, printable kits, please holler at your girl, let me know. And yeah, I think that is it for this video. So if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, come back for more, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty?